If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that can handle carpets and deliver a deep clean, we've lined up the best in their class. The Dyson V15 Detect stands out as the best overall. The Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty comes in as a strong contender. The Shark Stratos earns its spot as worth considering. The Samsung Bespoke Jet takes the premium choice title. And for those wanting quality on a budget, the Levoit LVAC 200 is the best value. Just one thing before we start though. We recommend using the links in the description to check for the latest deals on all the cordless vacuums featured in this video. The best overall, Dyson V15 Detect, takes carpet cleaning to another level. With powerful suction and intelligent adaptability, it automatically adjusts power based on floor type. Its green laser technology reveals dust you wouldn't otherwise see, while the LCD screen gives real-time updates on the amount of debris collected. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, it ensures uninterrupted deep cleaning. The Dyson V15 Detect also includes an anti-tangle brush for pet hair and whole machine filtration that traps 99.9% of fine particles. If you want top-tier performance with cutting-edge tech, the Dyson V15 Detect is in a league of its own. You can see more about the Dyson V15 Detect in the description. The strong contender, Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty, closely competes with its automatic dust disposal and impressive runtime of up to 70 minutes. The PowerDetect feature boosts suction when it senses dirt, and the Duo Clean brush roll adapts to both carpets and hard floors. The auto-empty base locks away dirt for up to 45 days, eliminating the hassle of frequent bin emptying. One standout feature is its multi-flex wand, which bends to reach under furniture. While it offers strong performance, its suction optimization isn't as precise as the Dyson V15 Detect. But if hands-free convenience is a priority, the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty is a solid choice. You can check for deals on the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty in the description. Worth considering, the Shark Stratos brings an infrared dirt sensor and a dual brush system for deeper carpet penetration. With its self-cleaning brush roll and Clean Sense IQ, it adjusts power levels based on detected debris. Its odor neutralizer technology keeps your space smelling fresh, making it great for pet owners. While it delivers excellent suction, the 60-minute battery life doesn't quite match the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty. Still, its real-time dirt detection and flexible wand make it a strong alternative. For pricing on the Shark Stratos, see the description. The premium choice, Samsung Bespoke Jet, delivers a high-end cleaning experience with up to 210 air watts of suction power. Its all-in-one clean station empties the dustbin with a button press, eliminating exposure to dirt. With a Jet dual brush optimized for different surfaces, this vacuum transitions smoothly from carpets to hard floors. A digital display provides battery and suction updates, while a 5-layer HEPA filtration system captures 99.9% of fine particles. While it's a top-tier machine, the premium features come with a premium price. If you're after luxury-level cleaning, the Samsung Bespoke Jet is the way to go. See the description for more details. The best value, Levoit LVAC 200, is a budget-friendly alternative with solid suction for everyday cleaning. With a 50-minute runtime and a lightweight design, it's easy to maneuver around furniture. It features a 5-stage filtration system to trap fine dust and an anti-tangle brush to reduce hair wrap. While it may not match the deep cleaning power of higher-end models, it's a great option for those needing an efficient, no-frills vacuum at a lower cost. For the latest deals on the Levoit LVAC 200, check the description. The Dyson V15 Detect takes the best overall spot for its unmatched balance of power, intelligence, and filtration. If you want next-level convenience, the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty is a top pick. The Shark Stratos brings dirt detection for precise cleaning, while the Samsung Bespoke Jet is a premium powerhouse. And for those on a budget, the Levoit LVAC 200 offers reliable performance without breaking the bank. The next video is ready to play on your screen now, so stick around for more great recommendations.